do our first page. It has this great pocket here. And you could do that and kind of talk about what month it is. Okay, so from here on, I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest of this video. Around this time, my son came in and we were discussing his rough draft for school. So we were kind of talking about it and seeing what he had to do. Anyway, so I'm going to just do a voiceover, and I realized I had my fan going because it's starting to get warm here and it rattles. So I'm going to have to fix my fan. So I end up doing 2 pages. I'm going to do this one with the pocket on the front, and then I'm going to also add some things to a different page. So in the kit, there was this really cool page that had vegetables, and it has the name of the vegetable and then the different pounds. And I just really liked this chart, and I thought it was really cute. And then there is this picture of someone straining their peas. And I just really liked the black and white images with the bright, colorful scrapbook paper. So I get those cut out, and then I'm going to kind of fiddle with the backing papers. And I decide to go with the vegetable scrapbook paper, but you'll see how I kind of decide what size I want and all that good stuff. So here I'm going to cut it out, and this ends up being the one that I decide to have as my kind of a background page. Really fun to go with the label vegetables and also the colander of peas. And then I didn't know if I wanted to make it a tuck spot or where I was going to go. So then I went back to my pocket. And then I lost my word. Vegetables. And so I'm going to do this. That's going to be the background, and then the word vegetables will go on the top. I love this pocket that it already has the sticky already on it. It's very convenient, kind of nice. You can see in the background that my fan is on and papers are blowing around. And I'm using the new dome foam from Tim Holtz, and so far I really like it. It seems like it doesn't get as chewed up as the flat version, so it's really nice. And it, as you can see here, the ink goes on really well too. So I'm digging it. I'm digging the new domed foam. It was hard for me to cover up the jars. I really like the jar paper too. It's really cute. If you are a gardener, this little journal would be perfect. You could take pictures of the things that you're growing in your garden, and it would just be really, really fun. A little more ink, because I thought about a background for the vegetables, and I was like, I'll just ink it up, and then it should kind of make it pop a little bit more, or stand out, I guess. Almost got my hand in the ink. Oh, such a I'm just not good at the ink or the stamping. I get it all over myself. So for this one, I'm going to use the plaid as my background paper. And then I'm deciding if I want to do the belly band on this page or a different page. And you'll notice I didn't do a full belly band. I just kind of did a partial one. Mainly because the papers are 6x6. And that was kind of the length of it. So I was going with it. And here I'm cutting out a border with the plaid paper. And I'm leaving a little bit around the edges so you can see it. It's so fun to mix and match older pages, retro pages, with new scrapbook pages. It's really fun. I need to do it more often. I'm glad I turned it the right direction. For the longest time it was upside down, so I'm glad I managed to get it going the right direction. And here I decided to commit and put the pocket down. So that is done. Oh, and then I also decide maybe I should get the ink out of my way so I don't keep putting my hand in it. And then I put in the library card, which I will do something with later. Probably not in this video, but I had to think about how I wanted to decorate it. And then did I want a side belly band or a vertical or horizontal? I wasn't sure. And then I committed on this page because I liked the green images on the left-hand page. And here I was like, oh, wait a minute. There's jars on the other side of this paper. Do I really want to cover it up? And then I did. And then add the colander. And I almost ended up gluing this to the whole page, but luckily I fixed my glue right there because it would not have been a belly band then. And then my little journaling card is going to be the little grid or chart. I guess it's a chart with the vegetables on it. The glue bottle didn't want to stand. And I will see if I want to embellish this further or just leave it as it is. And I really didn't want to cover the chart. I really thought that was fun. So I end up just leaving it. And then I found this label and I decide to make it a tab for the top of the journal card. And it's perforated, so it just felt folded right over and I could glue it. It was perfect. And there we go. We have a little belly band tuck spot. And I got some glue on my image. And then I decide to put a pocket on the other side, and there's this journaling card that was the perfect size and was just really cute. It's from the scrapbook paper. I really want to use the jars. And then in the kit, there's a craft jar that I added some of the, it's not ribbon, some of the twine, I guess it is, too. And then I add that, and then there is a playing card that I also tuck into the pocket. And it's really cute. It has chickens on it. And there you go. So there's that page, and then my front cover. And then I decided to put the paper clips from the last Craft With Me in the book. And I just let that one kind of hang off the library card. And then add that one to the page I just finished. And then I remember I also have the bottle cap. So then I want to add that as well. I struggle. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy videos like this. Usually I don't do the voiceovers, but let me know in the comments. And also if you bought this kit, are you working in your kit as well? I'd like to know. All right. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.